Hello Urban Homesteaders. I'm making this little video to be my post for the day on Monday the, let's say 21st of February in 2011, when we're doing a Take Back Urban Homesteading blog post action. I'm not actually an urban homesteader. I will see whether I can look out my front window. This is my front window. There's no city. I have a neighbor. He's way over there somewhere. And I have another neighbor, and we can't see our other neighbor from here. So I am, in principle, highly in favor of urban homesteading, even though I don't do it myself. But today what I'm going to do is document my soap making, which is one of my traditional crafts that I have taken up since we started this project towards sustainability. So I am making soap right from scratch using lye and using various oils. In this case I'm using a coconut oil. It's an organic coconut oil that is food quality, and I use vegetable shortening in this particular batch. I'm making a lavender soap this week, and what I have here is a strong lavender tea that I made earlier in the month, and it's been sitting, and so this has got the lavender characteristics in it. And what I'm working on here is a vegan soap. Most of my soap has got beeswax in it, but some of my customers or would-be customers are vegan, and so I'm working on developing a nice hard vegan soap. It's quite difficult to do without the beeswax because I use the beeswax as my hardener, and trying to develop as much locally sourced, where I allow local to be Canadian. I'm trying to do locally sourced soaps. So I use sunflower oil instead of olive oil, and I use beeswax, and I use honey, and all of those can be obtained from Canadian sources. And I use herbs in my soap, but I don't use any oil, fragrance oils, or even essential oils, because they make me sneeze. So everything's set up here. And that's the first thing if you're making soap, is that you have to get everything set up ahead of time. I have my mold greased and ready to go because as things heat up and they're ready, they need to be done immediately, or you wind up with a big batch of soap stuck in your pot. That's called seething. We're going to avoid that. So the first thing I'm going to do is start measuring things by weighing. And so I'm going to pause at this point, and I will start another video after I've put my gloves on, because you cannot handle the lye without the gloves. Okay, hold on.